This tree tells the story. Snapped in half while Peter Donzelli worked high up in the tree trunk.
The gentleman in question was near the top of the tree with all the limbs off, and the trunk of the tree snapped.
Paramedics and police rushed to Donzelli's aid, but the fall and the weight of the tree on top of his body was too much. Chief Fragomeni believes that Donzelli was using safety equipment and it was working properly. It was the tree that failed him.
As long as trees and people coexist in urban areas, there will be a need for arborists to work in or remove trees, including trees with known and unrecognized hazards.